It's the middle of the night, and on a dark Kansas back road, the largest tornado I have ever seen reveals itself. And it's going right into town.
Oh my God! I hear it, and I see it.
On May 14th, the Storm Prediction Center issued a Day 5 severe weather outlook, stretching from south-central Kansas into central Oklahoma. Over the next few days, the situation grows more concerning. Forecast models trend stronger and more consistent. On the morning of the chase, the Storm Prediction Center upgraded once again, a moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. This wasn't just another setup. Conditions were primed for a major severe weather outbreak. A negatively tilted mid-level trough was digging into the central plains. Moisture surged north, dew points climbed into the upper 60s and low 70s, and a sharp dry line was established, the ignition point for explosive thunderstorms. By mid-afternoon, the stage was set. Our team awakens in south-central Kansas, the primary target area for today's storms. Josh, a new member of our team who frequently appears on this channel, was also out to chase the severe weather setup. He has already seen some incredible tornadoes this year, including the Marion, Illinois EF4 from only days prior.
Oh my God, there's debris. I hope that's just trees and leaves and stuff.
As the day progresses, cells start to fire and produce isolated tornadoes in northwestern Oklahoma, then shortly after in our target area. We decide to focus on a storm that is rapidly organizing and moving towards the town of Kinsley, Kansas.
Look at the low-level moisture surging in.
Yeah, it is screaming right now.
We're perfect.
Yeah, I see rotation behind us.
See it?
Yeah. You look at the cloud base right behind us. A bale in front of us.
Okay, now the sheriff's department's reporting a wedge, so...
What?
Where?
We get into the path and plan for an intercept on what was quickly becoming a tornadic storm. However, we slightly overshoot the tornado's path.
It's across the road. There it is.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's go. We have to go east.
The tornado goes further north than anticipated. Our team is unsuccessful. However, the day was far from over. As we follow the storm north, down south a new cell is brewing. Tracking closely behind that cell are fellow storm chasers Chris Risky and Kelton Henderson. They had just come up from Oklahoma, having seen one of the best tornadoes of the day.
Bro, that's amazing. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the occlusion, dude. That's amazing.
The storm is moving northeast towards the town of Greensburg, a town that is no stranger to tornadoes, having been almost completely destroyed in 2007 by the first EF5 rated tornado.
Oh my God.
Massive tornado. Holy smokes.
This is, oh my God. Alright, we gotta be careful. This thing's gonna be right in front of us very, very soon. It's right in front of us. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Chris, it's hitting stuff.
Hey, we're good. It's right in front of us. We're good. We're safe here.
The wedge tornado downs power lines, blocking the main road, forcing all the chasers on that road to turn around and find alternate routes. To the southeast of them, Josh is watching the storm from an adjacent road and is able to progress north without the worry of crossing down power lines.
Oh, is that the wall? Uh-oh. Power flashes.
is now in hot pursuit of this monster tornado, which has now prompted the National Weather Service to issue a tornado emergency.
Tornado emergency on it. I got a tornado emergency alert.
Thankfully, the tornado misses Greensburg. However, the parent supercell is still chugging on. At this point, we race south towards the tornado-producing storm that had nearly hit Greensburg for a second time. We stop just outside of Pratt, looking north, when we see a single power flash embedded in the rain, a clear sign that this tornado was rain-wrapped.
Oh, there it is. Yep.
The tornado we were watching quickly roped out near Iuka, but a much larger and sinister beast is developing out of sight in the darkness.
Tornado emergency for Plevna. Considerable damage to homes.
We turn the TIV north with the goal of getting up close and personal with the tornado, and all we have to go off of is radar. It became an incredibly dangerous maneuver. We stop, scanning the horizon for a funnel. And then, there it was.
It's passing right in front. Oh my God. I hear it. And I see it.
This was the largest tornado I had ever seen, and it was actively doing EF3 damage. We continue north and cross the damage path, moving up towards Stafford, and then turning east to meet the tornado for a second time. At the same time, down south of us, Josh captures the silhouette of the beast as it moves across the road.
Oh, I see it for sure. I'm pretty sure I see it. Oh yeah, it's a maxi wedge.
Because of the TIV's slower speeds, it's a challenge keeping up with the tornado. It began to weaken, shifting northward. The town of Plevna was directly in the crosshairs of this monster.
It went right
Yeah.
there.
Oh yeah, lots of debris striking the vehicle.
The tornado crosses in front of us, lofting debris into the air. To our left, there is one final glimpse of the tornado as rain wraps around the circulation.
Oh yeah, tornado. No, it's right off to the left. Look off to the left, Evan.
Oh yeah, big tornado.
Yeah, the tornado crossed ahead of us here.
It's clear the town of Plevna has been hit. We decide the chase is over and go to help the people in town.
so.
Surprisingly, the town is only subjected to EF2 level damage, and thankfully no one is killed. Ultimately, the Plevna wedge was assigned a rating of EF3 by the National Weather Service. This was one of the most intense chases in TIV's recent history, but not the intercept our team was looking for. At night, judging a tornado's intensity is near impossible, besides the way they look on radar, and this tornado looked violent. Our group decided attempting a direct intercept on a mile-wide wedge at night was too great of a risk, but despite this, we still got close views of the tornado. Later on, satellite data would show a distinct scar from the path of this violent tornado.